Hello everyone, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how you can format your views on your SharePoint site. So to do it, you just have to come over to the dropdown. Over here, mine says all documents. So once we click on that and we come over to format current view, we have two different options. We have alternating row styles, and then we have conditional formatting. So if we click on alternating row styles, this will be this is what will happen. So for the odd rows, it'll give us this darker gray color. And then for even rows, it'll just give us the same background we have on our SharePoint site. However, we can go in and we can change the color if we would like to. And then also you can get some additional styling options if you click on more styles. So I'm not going to go ahead and save that, but we'll go ahead and restore back to the default view that we had before. And then there is another option too, a conditional formatting. So let's go ahead and click on this again. And right here, if we come over to conditional formatting, and then what we need to do is we need to set up a rule. So we're actually going to remove this one, edit rule. And then over here, we're going to go ahead and choose the IT department. If it's equal to IT, then we want the background color to be this dark blue color. Now, imagine we had hundreds or not thousands of options on here. At a glance, we would easily be able to see which ones are for IT. But if you guys watched some of the previous videos, there's other ways that we could do this too. So we could do like grouping, or we could group other departments, or we can remove that, and then we can just do filter by, and then we can filter by IT as well. So there's a lot of different ways that you can do it, but a lot of people like having these colors. A lot of people are more visual when it comes to their data, and they like just being able to look at something and say, oh, it's this color, so I already know it's IT. You don't have to even look at the column. So that is how you format your views on your SharePoint site.